Seriously?
Yes, Chuck, yes.
Wait, I need good, wait! I need good position.
What?
Okay. You going first?
I'll go too. Are you ready?
Did you? Yeah, I've been ready. Land on your feet, will ya?
Let me try again.
It's funny I said that and you got yourself.
That's good enough.
Your turn, Chelsea.
Got my butt real good. Let's both do that back thing.
What?
Let's both do that back thing.
Do what thing?
That back.
Oh.
Wait, let's do it this way.
Look, how about y'all do it far away from me?
What?
Chuck, save me! Save me!
I don't care.
The dosage for Gunner.
0.8.
0.8. Thank you.
Yep. Wait, guys.
Y'all are jumping a little close, don't you think?
Ready? 1, 2, 3. I got you.
What? Is it a game?
No. Now use chili play like this. The popcorn. I remember that. See how long you can hold this one right off his mouth.
Oh, what?
You can't break your.